Check out this 3D cartoon-style video. This type of content is going viral right now, million. Now check out this YouTube channel. It has already grown to 12.8 million subscribers, with millions of views across its videos. They also upload long-form videos, and many of them have reached millions of views. After that, I've prepared a master prompt for you, and you'll find it in the video description. After that, copy the entire master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now type this into ChatGPT. Please give me 10 image prompts featuring the same character and 10 matching video prompts with voiceover. Then hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will prepare all 10 scenes with detailed image prompts, matching video prompts, and voiceover lines. Now it's time to move on to the best AI tools for this workflow. Then open Google Flow and click New Project. Select Image, then paste your image prompt into the prompt box. Make sure your character details stay consistent. Choose your preferred aspect ratio and click Generate. Within seconds, your first character image will be ready second. Now copy and paste the remaining prompts one by one. Start with the first prompt, then move to the second and third prompts. Follow the exact same process for every scene once. Once all your images are created, let's move on to the video generation step now. Select the video option and choose the Omni Flash model. Set the remaining options according to your project. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for your first scene. Make sure you copy the complete prompt carefully, then return to Google Flow and paste it into the prompt box. Then repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next video prompt, and paste it into Google Flow. Click Generate now. Let's check the final video result.
Whoa! Look at that! That's the biggest strawberry I've ever seen! I have to taste it.
Wait! Wait! Come back! I only wanted one bite! Ah!